puta madre, how the hell am I supposed to eat this though?
Oh my god, Ronnie.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. You already know what day it is.
Monday's Tuesday, Wednesday's Thursday.
By the way, happy National Waffle Day. Today, in this video, we're gonna check out Mama Bird. They're serving up chicken and waffles, barbecue, breakfast, brunch, all that. We have like this fried chicken waffle sandwich smothered with mac and cheese. That has my name written all over it. Oh my god. Alright, so what I ordered was a fried chicken waffle sandwich. What? What? It's a waffle with pickles, lettuce, tomato. They top it off with macaroni and cheese. Wow. And I added a fried egg on top because your boy extra.
What's that?
And it comes with like a mix. I forgot what they call it. It's like I think it's like upside down fries, or they call it north and south fries, and it comes with like a dipping sauce. Try it out. It's like a aioli. With the southern theme, I also got sweet tea. Bruh. Yo, I don't know how am I supposed to dig into this though. The hell? Oh shit. Yo, it comes with like this little carrier. I'ma just dig right in.
Damn!
The chicken's good, well seasoned. It's kind of sweet, I guess. It's just so huge. Holy shit. So when I looked up Mama Bird, I kind of went down like this rabbit hole and just kind of doing my research on the place. And I guess one of the partners is he's like one of the the head directors of like Tao Restaurant Group in Las Vegas.
Okay.
I'm gonna get my fork out because it's getting a little sloppy. Macaroni is super cheesy. They put a lot on the sandwich, so it's kind of like a side, you know what I'm saying? The egg. Oh Lord, oh Lord. I should have brought gloves to eat this. Sheesh. Dude, what the hell? Everything's like nicely flavored and well composed and put together. With the fries too. Look at that. I can't believe I finished it, dude. Shit. Alright, fam. Last bite. Oh Lord. Oh. Happy Waffle Day. Yeah.
Oh yeah!
So good. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Ronnie.
Dude, my upper lip smells like mac and cheese.